Now come to this question ID number 41, where a proprietary concern is converted into a company. Now see, when a proprietary concern is converted into a company, or there is amalgamation where there is a demerger somewhere in between the year. Okay, this is somewhere in between the year. Okay, in this particular case, the total depreciation of the amalgamating company, okay, that is a transferor company, or in this case the proprietary concern who is a transferor. Okay, the total depreciation will be divided between in my example the sole proprietary concern and the company. If it is amalgamation, amalgamating and amalgamated, demerger, then demerged and the resulting. Okay, you have to divide the total depreciation in the ratio of number of days use. Okay, so very specific provision to give a fairness to both the entities to divide the depreciation accordingly. First of all, that particular point is covered in the proviso to section 32. The aggregate depreciation for all amalgamation, demerger, business reorganization, that is succession, firm to company, proprietary concern to the company, all this situation. Okay, it shall be apportioned between predecessor and the successor, that means the transferor and the transferee, in the ratio of number of days. So calculate the total depreciation normal and divide between both the entities in the ratio of number of days, and accordingly you have to give the answer. Okay, now let's do the working. Very short and sweet, but simple working. Okay, now proprietary concern has got opening WDV of 3 lakhs. This is a proprietary concern. On 1/4 itself, new plant of same block was purchased. It was purchased. On 1/4 date is given, that means full rate and all that. After the conversion, company has purchased the same type plant and machinery for 1,60,000. So company is purchasing for 1,60,000. Okay. Now compute the depreciation that would be permissible. So first of all, you calculate normal depreciation, because now here there is no complication of half rate, full rate and all that. 15% the rate has already been given to us. Let me check. Depreciation rate is already given to us. So this is 4,20,000 total. Of that 15%. Okay, company 1,60,000 into 15%. This is a normal depreciation. Okay, now whatever is a proprietary concerns depreciation, that is 63,000. This has to be divided. See, companies, whatever the asset is, its own asset. So that is, company is not undergoing any business reorganization. The proprietary concern has undergone a business reorganization. So the 63,000 you have to divide it in the ratio of number of days. So you already know the date of 31st of August. So you can calculate the number of days 1/4 to 31st of August and total number of days in the year 365 in that particular ratio. Make the division between these two entities and accordingly give the total depreciation with respect to the assets for the respective entities.